Today, I'm making chicken curry for lunch. Every time I cook, I always wonder if Serena is going to like it because she's still quite a picky eater. Whenever she enjoys a new meal, it honestly makes me so happy. It's been incredibly hot lately, so my little fan has become my best friend in the kitchen. I don't think I've cooked a meal without it this week. I only charge it at night and it lasts all day. I always enjoy cooking for my family. Some days I know exactly what I'm going to make, and other days I just open the fridge and see what we have. While the curry is simmering, I like to clean as I go. I don't know about you, but I find it so much easier when the kitchen is already tidy by the time lunch is ready. Being a mom means you're always thinking ahead. While I'm cooking lunch, I'm already thinking about what everyone will need later, what needs cleaning, and what I need to prepare for tomorrow. One thing I've learned over the years is that cooking isn't about making everything perfect. It's about making food with love and bringing everyone together around the table. Since becoming a mom, my biggest challenge has probably been cooking for a picky eater. Some days, Serena surprises me and eats everything, and other days, she'll only eat a few bites. I think a lot of parents can relate to that. Every time I try a new meal, I'm always hoping this might become another one of Serena's favorites. Never really know until she takes the first bite. These everyday moments might seem simple, but they're the moments I treasure the most. Cooking, cleaning, and looking after my little family. This is the life I've always dreamed of. I know one day Serena will grow up and become more independent, so I'm trying to enjoy every little moment while I still can, even the ordinary days like today. Watching my family enjoy a meal I've cooked is one of the best feelings. It reminds me that all the little jobs throughout the day are worth it.
Sit down lang, anak. Serena? Is it yummy, anak?
And now it's time for Serena's taste test.
Good girl.
The moment I've been waiting for. Seeing her enjoy another homemade meal always makes me smile.
Chicken
Might
curry.
seem like a small thing, but for this mommy, it's one of the biggest awards.